Hello, everybody. I'm going to be covering our round wire. Some of these things you may be familiar with, some may be new to you. So if you have any questions, please feel free as I go to ask questions. Here you can see the various materials that Fort Wayne Metals produces round wire in. For today's presentation, we will be focusing on stainless steel and tungsten. However, if you're interested in high performance alloys, nitinol, titanium, please keep an eye out for the additional webinars, which will focus on these areas. Our size range is 0005 to 0.55 inches for round wire. However, anything above 0.0625 would generally be produced as bar rather than round wire on a spool. The stainless steel alloys that we process are 302, 304 LV, 304V, 316 LVM, and custom 455. And we offer a large range of conditions. So starting at the top, you'll see our new ultra strength condition. That's going to be focused on today. As you move down the list through high tens, spring, hard, and finally to annealed, the tensile of those are going to decrease as we go down and the elongation will increase. You can see our top four are available only in 304V with a few exceptions, while spring and below are for most stainless steel alloys. And here you can see our reference mechanical values. So starting at the top, you'll see our fully annealed condition. That goes from about 85 KSI to 130, dependent on the alloy. And then the smaller the wire diameter is, the higher the tensile range is going to be. Moving down to our spring condition, these are also dependent on the size. For 304V and 302, we're going to reference ASTM on those, and those will go along with those values. For 316 LVM, the max tensile capability is going to be about 270, and then will lower as it increases. And for 304 LV, the max is going to be about 310, and that will also lower as the size increases. In our high 10 condition, that's going to be available for 304V, and that's up to about 0.3 in size. The tensile will range from 440 KSI nominal and fine wire, and then we'll go down to about 330 nominal at higher sizes. And then the ultra strength, so this is just speaking to our stainless steel 304V. Ross is going to cover our tungsten, but the size is 0005 to 006, and the tensile range is going to be about 470 to 500 KSI nominal. And then we always like to say we can hit values in between these ranges, so you don't have to be exactly in these ranges here. If there is a desired tensile target that's in between these, it's best to let us know that target, and then we can advise the internal condition that's going to be the best fit for you.